Hi, and thanks for your inquiry regarding Black Belt websites. I'm just wanting to take you through quickly on what you get with Black Belt websites and what you need to do from here to get started. So, what I want to just take you through is the websites come with a very, very powerful theme that we use WordPress, which is the pretty much the way a website gets created. Very, very powerful tool. Most people are using WordPress these days to build websites, and I just want to take you through how powerful it is. Now, one of the things you'll look at is it looks great on a a computer, or if you're actually running a phone, you'll also find it actually looks very good on phone. It comes up very, very nice. It all is fully responsive, ready for you to go. So once the website's completed, it will use on all the different devices, and you'll be able to see everything works an absolute treat. Whether you're on a mobile phone or whether you're on a computer, it will just fit to the size of the screen automatically. So very good, very responsive. And the way it works is we've come across this very powerful theme called the 7. If you wanted to go ahead and purchase the theme, it's about $60 US, and what that will enable you to get updates and upgrades. But reality is the amount you pay to get Black Belt websites to do includes the original theme. But if you wanted upgrades, we'd be looking at $60 US to get that. Though at the end of the day, once you buy it, it's yours. It's always yours, and you can do whatever you want with the theme. One of the things I will ask you to do is have a look at the full demo. So I'll give you this link here to go through and have a look at the full demo of what you can possibly do. Up the top here, you've got menu items after menu items after menu items. Go through and have a look at what the pages actually look like. So you can come here and have a look at what a sample homepage on business looks like, and very nice, great little theme there. Or if you wanted to be a more creative person, you can actually, or you want your business to be more creative, you can see some really good themes that way. Or even if you're running parallax, and I don't know if you know what parallax is, but it's with the image scrolling behind. So as you scroll down, you can see the images go with them, and they're all done with a press of a button in the back of the system. The other thing is you can also check out whether you want it boxed. So if you want to see the background in there, all the different types of colors. So if you wanted it red, for instance, you can actually see what the website actually looks like. So this gives you an idea on how powerful the themes actually are and what you can do, and how quickly it is to go and update the particular themes. So have a look at that. Have a look at all the different options. You might want to run a gallery, for instance, in the system. We can actually easily load up galleries of jobs that you may be doing, portfolios if you're doing massive projects, and then we're able to make it look very, very professional. So very easy to use, and the reason I'm going to say it's very, very easy to use, once you're actually logged into the back end of the system, this is the back end of WordPress here. Once you're logged into here, you can easily go and add a new testimonial by just logging in, coming to testimonials, add new, for instance, and then you can easily just update a testimonial on here. And this is how quick and easy it is actually to be done. Let me just bring that up if the internet's going to play its game. Sorry, taking a bit with the internet. And what we would do here is just enter either the company name or the person's name, blah, 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 blah. And then, of course, we can just type in or copy the testimonial from Word. We can make a big writing. If you want to make a big writing, we can categorize it. We can put a person's position in there, or the location, or where they're from. You can actually have a link there so it goes to their website if you wanted to. Then you can put a headshot in there, or a company logo, or something to that effect. And then you just hit publish, and bang, the testimonial will automatically be up on your site. So easy to do. And I will do videos. You'll have access to videos like I'm doing now on how to do that. You'll be able to log into the Black Belt business or Black Belt website homepage and be able to log in and get these videos to download, so you can watch on how to put in a portfolio, or how to change your contact form, or how to add a team member, or how to use a photo album, or update a gallery, or update your pages. And this is how simple it is to actually go and change a page. If I go into a page of my existing website, this is my other business website, you'll see that I can actually easily come and edit anything that I wanted to as easily as possible. So once that actually comes up, you can actually go to edit page, And what you'll find here is we'll be able to easily go and update any of this wording, add new pictures, change anything that we want, really at a click of a button. And it's really that simple. So as you can see, once this comes up and my internet decides to load, and I can go to backend entity here, and now I can just press a button. Let's edit this text box and go in and just change the wording accordingly. So that's just bringing up the text now. And you will see that I can go and change this again, make it bold, and then come up and of course change maybe the coloring white here. And there's videos on how to do this so you can actually change all of this yourself. Of course I'm not going to change this because this is my live site. Again, you can actually change anything here. You can say I don't want that there anymore, I want this one over here, and it's just a drag drop feature. So you can see how easy it is to actually update and change stuff just from the actual website itself. The other thing that the site comes with is some very powerful SEO features, and if you don't know what SEO is, it's search engine optimization, so Google can find you. So it will actually come down and show you exactly what's happening with your SEO, and every page on here will either have a light to tell you if yes, Google likes you. As you can see, there's a green light here, so Google, that's a good SEO. There's some of my pages that haven't been SEO'd yet. That's average, so it's going, it's okay, but it can be better. So you can see that you can actually make sure that Google's actually seeing you. Part of buying the sites through Black Belt Websites is you will get an SEO expert to review your entire site once it's completed, so they can tell you what needs to happen to make sure Google ranks you. And the other thing you will find is you will have all loaded up onto Google. You will have all webmaster tools, you'll have all the reporting every single week to see how your site is actually going and what's been happening. And as you can see here, over the last, I think this will be the last month, you'll see that I've had 1,600 impressions on Google with 88 clicks there. So it will actually tell you what's happening, what different search queries people are looking for. That's how many impressions, and you'll see is what is actually happening there and whereabouts I am situated in Google, literally. So it tells you whereabouts I am. So you will have all of these features added to your site, so you'll be able to see it as well, all part of the for the price that you're being quoted. You will also find that it comes with many different plugins. I'm just going to keep leaving pages because I don't want to save anything that I'm doing that I'm showing you here. You will find that it will actually come with many different plugins, and what a plugin is different features like the SEO. You'll have social media linking as well in the website. We will put different banners up there. We'll have broken link checkers to make sure that all your links are going to the right spots, or your Facebook buttons to make sure that's actually working. So you will have everything in the system that you need to be effective and do everything you want. And even if you want an online shopping cart, we can even throw that in there for you as well. So one of the things with the site is once we complete it for you, you will have all of that. The other thing is we have an account with 123RF. That's a image site. So if you were doing a cake business, for instance, and want to search for images of cakes, you will find that it's brought up 3,470 pages of images of some forms of cake. And you can, give us 10 or 15 images that you like from here, and we will download it for you and put it as part of the site, and set it up so that's actually there. These are stock images. If you provide your own images, we can get them up as well, as long as they are high-res images. So really, to get started, it is fairly simple to get started. What we effectively need is for you to research the different pages that you want, go and research the template, have a look at the different page layouts that you like, and then let us know the pages you want, provide the content for those pages and or the images, and we will put it all together, and we will need your logo, of course, and we will get the site up and running for you. The average turnaround time for the site would be about 5 to 6 days, and we can get that back to you pretty quickly. So Hopefully that was informative for you. So all we need to do to get started, just say yes, you want to go ahead with the site. Then give us, we will send you out an invoice. Pay the invoice, get the content to us. We'll have the site up and ready for you. Plus, the other benefit with the working with us is we will give you all, and I mean every single one of the file formats. So if all of a sudden we dropped off the planet tomorrow, you will have full access to the files. You don't need to go and chase them from anyone. You will have full access to everything that we've done, no matter what. So, we don't control it. It's your website. We want it to be yours, and we don't want to actually hold on to that intellectual property. That is yours. That's what you paid for, and we go from there. So, looking forward to working with you very shortly, and if you have any questions, just let us know, and more than happy to help out. All right, looking forward to it. Talk to you soon.